We are live here in Upload True. Hindi pala tayo live. Sorry. Kakapes si Sean J.Lo. Yan sila go. Bro, yung ano mo, witness. Baka magit. Ayan. Sayang pag na-pick tayo. Okay, let's get it on. Ayan na. Parang naharap ni Sir Paul yung teenage niya eh. Teenage year. You know? Gusto malot. Oy! 2 points para sa mga Otits. Otits versus Young Stars. Maganda to. On the left side, Patrick. No good. Papigan. Otits boy. Marvin. Quick pull up. No good. Paul B is there. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. To Paul. Quick one step. Over to Lee by a 4. Perimeter shots. No good. Papigan. Marvin is there. Umaldat. Using his side. No good. Speed. Sean J.Lo. Napakatulin. My goodness. Sean J.Lo. Kaito. Yes, sir. All 2. Nice pick, oh. Oh, ayan na. Volpi. To Marvin. The board is there. Ross. Pull up. Papigan. Oy. To J.Lo. To Catalan. Catalan. 3. No good. Stolen Nico. Go. 3-8. No good. Foul. Blocking foul. Catalan. To go. To JM. JM. To go. 4-3. Lista nyo na. De La Cruz is there. De La Cruz. Stolen. Si Catalan. Catalan. JM. Wala. Pull up. Papigan. JM is there. Oy! Batchama on the move. Faking ni Uwu. 1 dribble pound. Katalan. Katalan. Faking. Side step. Yes, sir. 4-2. What a move by Catalan. Prestado, inside, putama ni Uwu. Again, kay Marvin. Marvin inside. Napakalakas. All 4. Sir Paul airs. Fast break opportunity to Marvin. Marvin, 2 points, 6-4. Catalan, to Uwu. To go. Creates to J.Lo. J.Lo inside. Uwu. Inside to go. Papigan. Sir Paul is there. Traffic. JM Prestado. 3-on-1 opportunity. Back to Marky to JM. Good decision. 23 seconds. JM is there. Oy. Good. Oy. 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 Huli. Oy. 8 seconds. Sayang. Great defense by Otits. Fastball gaining. Levi Abor. 2 points. 8-4. Zaragoza. To go. Go for 3. 3. Score 7-8. Lamang ng Otis lang isa. Give me back 3. I give it back. Wala. Ooh, finding a man. Mr. Ooh. Hey, stop and go. Euro, wala. Using the head fake. Jen. Watson, 1 dribble pull up. Grabe yun ah. Paul creates. 10-7. Fast break opportunity. Catalan for 3. No good. Yabor, kapit. Change score. Score natin, 10-7. Abol. De La Cruz, balat. Tapikan. Wala. JM is there. Cross is over. Shot. Wow. My goodness, JM. 9-10. Fast break opportunity to Yapor. Foul. Last. 10-9. Score natin. First throw. Back. 11-9. Second throw. Rocking the Zion shoes. Lucky bounce. 12-9. Go for 3. Kanya ulit. Go up and under. Kita-kita yun. 11-12. Uy. Good play. Prestado Chris. Ganda dun pare ah. 14-11. Ano gagawin mo? 3-point make. Wala. Marvin. Oy! Galing. 16-11. Catalan. Crossover. Foul. Side ball ang tawag ni Rep. Galing sa lulo. Oy, solid. Pero pare. Inside, oy. Wow. Last 2 minutes. 16-11. Go. Over for 3. Wala talaga pare. Watson. Inside. Ganda ng play. Grabe. 18-11. Nakikita mo yung transition ng Otis. Balance yung mga cuts. JM. Pulang. 13-18. Watson, De La Cruz, inside power move, wow! Two free throws. The technical guy ni referee. First throw. 19-13. Yun! Ay, wala talaga. Last 45 seconds. Yun, huli mo. My goodness, J-Lo. Oy. Yabor. Oy. Tapik. Binalik ka Yabor. Yes, sir. 21-13. Last 30 seconds. Balak ko. Yan. Last 24 seconds. Paul. 23-13. 13. Last 20 seconds. Lapas. No good. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Game ball. 13-23. Lamang ang panalo ang Otis.